How's it going, y'all? Today I have a 2025 Silverado HD with the long bed, extended bed. It's a base model, so nothing special, nothing spectacular. Leather interior. The 2025. Currently 3 miles. As you can see, it don't have the storage compartments like the Z71 has. But this lets you know it's a base model. As you can see, it doesn't have the 20-inch rims or the 22-inch rim option. It's just your basic steel wheels. It still have, you know, the hydraulic liftgate. It's not really hydraulic, but it has like a motion control in a way. This is basically like a work truck. Doesn't really have much features or much bells and whistles. As you can see, there's no bed liner. Just your basic Chevy Silverado. They go for about $51,000. Get leather interior though. Get some of them you can get GPS. This one doesn't have, but it does have Android Auto. Go ahead and install these wheel covers or the wheel caps. Adjust my camera. Basically, you know, check it over, make sure everything works, lights, headlights, make sure the tire pressure is good. I already put nitrogen in the tires, so that was the first thing I did. Now it's just for me to install these caps. Check the fluids, make sure the coolant's good, the brake fluid's good, pressure fluid's good, oil is good. I'll give y'all a look. It is a 6.6 liter Allison. It is gasoline, not diesel. We have a V8, and let's just double check that, make sure I'm not just capping. Yeah, so it's gas. Normally you'll have a DEF and the diesel cap, so that's one way how I know it's gas. But I could tell from the way it's idling that it's, you know, a gasoline engine, not diesel. As you can see, $2025, 2500 HD. Fluids are good. I'm gonna come back and check the oil. Let y'all get a look at the interior, the dash. It's not like the Z71 that has, you know, the digital dash. It's just your basic setup. It's more like a work truck than anything. Center seat. It doesn't have the back glass that opens up. No sunroof. is pretty much what you get in a basic 2500 Silverado HD. And of course, this button here releases the tailgate from inside. I don't know if I ever showed you all that, but that's pretty cool too. So you don't always have to just, get out. If you have someone that needs to put something in, you can easily just press the button from the inside. And that's that, gal. Have a nice one.